Chapter number 3, how to get views with your YouTube videos. Now, I know if you decide to search my videos, I don't have millions of views, right? You could still make money without having to have millions of views. All right, so first one is keep your video somewhat short. Out of all my videos, I have 10-minute videos, 20-minute videos, and short ones and long ones and things like that. But most of the people would love to stick around for 5 to 6 minutes. That's like a sweet spot. So if you could keep it consistent of having 5-6 minute videos, then that's a great time for your YouTube video. Right? We live in a world where everything needs to be quick, so you don't have to make a long video, and a long video doesn't equate to quality. So keep it short until you have. Yes, baby. What is it? What's wrong, Hanson? Yeah? What's wrong? What's wrong? Okay. Oh, I think it's got some juice in there, right? Yeah, it's still got juice. It's my boy right there. That's why I make the video for him. Okay, YouTube algorithm likes it that if somebody watches your video all the way through, then it's like, okay, this video is great. Let's push it a little more to make sure other people get to see this. So it kind of tricks the YouTube. If your video is short and everyone is finishing it, then it makes them think this must be a great video. So it kind of helps out with your YouTube algorithm. So the next tip to get views is to be yourself. You don't have to try to act like somebody else. I think that authenticity is the key, all right? I mean, I personally love watching YouTube videos with people that makes honest mistakes, right? That's just themselves. They talk like themselves. They're not trying to be a robot. They're not trying to act like totally someone else. And I know there's a lot of YouTube videos where they read teleprompters, but that's their style too, right? They're like a news reporter. If you want to come off like a news reporter type of deal, then maybe a teleprompter is a great way for you to get it started. I will also put a link below on Amazon on a great teleprompter that I sometimes use when I don't want to just freestyle talk like what I'm doing now, because it gets hard. It's kind of, you have to practice. I don't really like to talk much naturally, but for my YouTube videos, I have to talk. So it took a lot of practice to, learn how to keep talking. So if you're not a talker, then it's gonna take some practice. But if you talk a lot, then you have an advantage. Thank goodness that you're a talker, so yeah, that's such an advantage to have. I mean, you think like, oh man, this 1 million subscriber YouTuber that teaches photography, I can't even compete with that. But you know what? Yes, this person might have 1 million subscribers, but you will also get viewers that could relate to you, right? It's kind of like how you found your wife, how you found your husband, how you made friends. We live in a world where we could naturally connect with other people that is in the same wave pattern as us. I don't know how this works, this how life works in regards of meeting and connecting with people, but it happens. There's gonna be a lot of people around this whole world that's gonna be like, you know what? I like this person. I like how they're communicating with me. I understand. I'm gonna subscribe. So yeah, don't even think about like being intimidated by the million subscribed YouTube influencers out there. You be you. You do you, boo. So, okay, be yourself. Be very good with your description and with your keywords and your title. So that I'm still learning. I'm a beginner, so I'm still learning, but I'm always thinking about it, right? You got to put descriptions, because if people type in, photography tutorial or Tesla, videos, then the keywords and the descriptions are important, that you have those words in there. So make it very descriptive, and make sure the keywords are filled up as much as you can. So that's going to help out. At the end of your YouTube video, there is a method of putting an end screen, so that way after you finish, like for example watching this video, my next video will appear on the bottom side of the screen. So that way if you want to see more of me, you could simply just click on that video instead of having to search around, because most people aren't gonna search around for you unless they really want to, get more information out of you. But if you have that video already, it's just a matter of them just simply saying, okay, yeah, I'll click on it. So not a problem. So that also reminds me of every time you make a YouTube video, I totally even forgot to do it. Hit that like and subscribe button. Right, I forget to say that, but you always have to say that when you make your video. You always have to say somewhere in the beginning part of the video, hit the like and subscribe button, because if you don't remind them, they'll just forget. They'll just watch the video and move on. But if you actually say it, a lot of the people will be like, you know what, I will hit the like button, subscribe. So that actually helps out. So please, if you haven't yet, hit the like button and subscribe. All right, thank you. Another tip on getting views on your YouTube video: make your thumbnail as engaging as possible, because a lot of us, when we flip through our YouTube app, we're almost just looking at the thumbnail. If the thumbnail is engaging and is exciting, then you think to yourself, ooh, I want to see what this is, and you click on it. So thumbnails are very important. So if you don't know how to design, then there's a lot of websites that allows you to design it easily. And if you really want help, you could go to fiverr.com and hire somebody for like 5, 10, 15 bucks to make you a quick thumbnail, so that way it's more engaging. So having a attractive, exciting, eye-catchy thumbnail is very important. Be sure to create a playlist with your YouTube channel. So if I have a playlist of just a bunch of photography tutorials, I have a playlist of my Tesla review videos and things like that. So it's nice to have it organized, because somebody might want to come into your channel and be like, you know what, I only want to see his photography tutorial stuff. So now that I have it on a playlist, it makes it easier for them to keep watching all of my photography tutorials. So have a playlist and organize all your videos. Work with other influencers. So if you could find other YouTubers that's got your topic and have similar amount of subscribers, then you guys could work together. Maybe you guys could do a little shout out. Maybe you guys could collaborate on something together. So it's always nice to work together and help each other grow. I know it's a little bit more difficult that if you have, like me, only 6,000 subscribers and I'm trying to talk to somebody with 1 million subscribers, the chances are it's very low that they're gonna want to communicate with me, because I'm not gonna give them any kind of benefit. But if you could communicate with somebody that's around your subscribe amount of people channel, then you get to really grow. And on top of that, you get to network, you get to grow together, you get to go and see the world and just meet different people, and just kind of, just keep yourself interested and engaged so that you could keep moving forward with the YouTube videos. The biggest tip on YouTube videos that it took me so long to figure out, I mean, I kind of knew, it's kind of a common sense, but is to be consistent with your videos. Consistent in how many times you upload in a month. 4 years ago I started, I was only doing one video every 3-4 months. That's crazy. That's nothing. Over a year, that's only 5-6 videos. What a waste of time. I wanted to do it, I did it, but 5 videos in a year? That's crazy. That year was a waste. I didn't do nothing. I've only started making money when I decided, you know what, I'm gonna make a commitment. I'm gonna release 3-4 videos a month. Man, if you can make 4 videos in a month consistently, that's the key. That's the money-making algorithm key right there. 1 video every week on the same day. And that's how a lot of the professional podcasters and the influencers are doing. They're always releasing their stuff every Monday afternoon. And if you could do it like that, like how the TV shows come out, then a lot of the people, the viewers, are going to be waiting for that next exciting video of yours for the next Monday, and they can't wait. And if you stop making videos, a lot of the viewers are going to be like, where are they at? I was waiting for their video. They're not making it. And it's kind of upsetting, right? You start losing their attention. So then being consistent is great for the viewers, but also YouTube will love what you're doing and will see that you're being serious and will start encouraging. I made, for example, last year, I made a video about photography tutorial. I got 1,000 views and it just went dead. No views for 6 months. And then within this past 4 months or so, I started making my videos. I'm like, I'm gonna make all these YouTube videos, the Tesla videos, and I was being serious about it, commenting on everybody, replying to everybody. And then when they saw that, when YouTube saw that, YouTube took that old video, a photography tutorial flash video, and from 1,000 views in 1 month, I think I'm up 100,000 views. That's crazy. I thought that video was dead. I thought it was great, but it was dead. It was gone. But your old video has a chance of coming back and getting 100,000 views. That's so insane. So don't ever think about the videos you made in the past. Just let it go, let it be. It might come back alive and get you some views, but don't be discouraged if it doesn't get views. Just, hey, that I did it. Let's move on. Let's make the next video and just keep moving forward. Don't think about the past. Just keep moving forward. Another fun tip on how to get views is that once you're done making your YouTube video, watch your own YouTube video. Watch it all the way through to the end, then give yourself a thumbs up. You're giving yourself a little bit of a kick, of on your back going downhill. You're like, let me give it a little bit of boost. And you're just giving yourself a little bit of shove so that YouTuber's like, okay, someone watched the video. Someone hit the like button. What is this all about? So I highly recommend doing that. And I have to admit, before, last year, I wasn't doing that. It wasn't really working. But ever since I've started doing that, I've been seeing a little bit of view improvements. So watch your own video and like your own video. Reply to all the comments. Every time you get a comment, try to be engaging. It's a great way for you to add more keywords and descriptions into your page, but it's also a great way to let YouTube know that you are a serious YouTuber, that you are engaging with all these people, and that you are being useful and helpful. So I get a lot of comments on, can you give me more tips on photography? Can you tell me more about the Tesla that you have? And then I try to write back to everybody I can. So I can see and feel that actually helps out and it helps me get more views. If there are other tips that I didn't share with you, but you actually happen to know, man, it would be amazing if you could leave a comment below and let me know about that, because that's what life is about. That's what this is all about. We need to share what we know and help each other grow. And in return, life is going to reward you. Right? That's karma. If you do good in life and you share everything that you know and you're not selfish about it and you're trying to take it to the grave, that's crazy. If you share it and you show love, then it will all come back to you. So I totally encourage you to share your passion, because it would be such a shame if you are good at doing something, even if it's sewing or if it's like making little paper airplanes or, who knows, telling stories, telling jokes. Uriah's great. My boy, he's great at telling jokes. And, now he's sharing it. So, I'm glad that he started and that he's not holding back. So if you got a talent, if you got something you want to share, do it. Because it'd be selfish of you not to.